You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. Open the trunk. Remove the interior access cover. You can use a flathead screwdriver to help. Identify the plastic wing nut which holds the lights. Unscrew it using the flathead screwdriver. Extract the light block, pulling it towards you. Take out the power connector. To do this, push on the small plastic tab and simultaneously pull on the terminal. Unscrew the two plastic nuts from the light bulb support board. Then remove it. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new bulbs. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round. Screw the two plastic nuts back on. Plug the electrical connector back together. Put the light back in its housing. Screw the wing nut back on and tighten it with a screwdriver. Close the access cover. To replace the bulbs located on the tailgate, unclip the plastic cover. Remove the electrical connectors by pressing the two retaining tabs. Remove the bulb holder plate by pushing the retaining tab using a flathead screwdriver. Then remove it. To replace the fog light bulb, push it and unscrew it a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To replace the reversing spotlight, simply pull it out. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round. Plug the electrical connector back together. Put the plastic cover back in place. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.